respected office bearers of the New College Staff Association, respected principal, and I'm also retired, so I'm one among you. So I can say that I'm my retired colleagues. And my dear friends, young friends, Assalamu alaikum. So I think that it is my duty to recollect, remember, and thank those who have supported me, encouraged me, motivated me, inspired me. So it's a big long list, but I will not take much of your time. No sir, I will not take more than 12 minutes maybe 10 to 12 minutes. Because in the absence of my friend Dr. Jabbar, I think I've taken his time maybe, inshallah. Sir, my dear friends, I would like to thank certain people from the management. First of all, I would like to thank Janab Khalifatullah Sahab. You may not be knowing the reason, but he was the one who gave me the appointment in the school. First appointment from Miasi, I worked in the school. Once Fayaz resigned from there and joined New College, I had the chance to work there. I think I was the only person who has worked in almost all the institutes of New College. I worked in school, New College. I was a guest faculty in MIM, then it was called as New College Institute of Management. I was a guest faculty in New College Institute of Information Technology. I was very fortunate to have that one. It was started by Janab Khalifatullah Sahab. My appointment in New College was very smooth one because my father had a rapport with retired professors may be knowing. He was leading the one-man commission at that time, which formed the basis for a big struggle. I know that. At that time, Deva Prasad Committee. I was a student at that time along with my brother. He was doing here. I'm very fortunate to have my brother here. And I thank Majestic Karim Saab, who was then Secretary, A.G. Abdul Razak Saab, T. Abdul Wahid Saab. They were the office bearers at that time. They were the one who gave me the appointment in New College. I would also like to thank a perfect gentleman. Most of you know that the troubleshooter, you know whom I am mentioning, you Muhammad Khalilullah Saab. He had such a kind of affection, fatherly affection he had towards me, and he has supported me and encouraged me. And anytime I used to meet him during his birthdays, it was very easy to remember 1, 2, 3, 4. I, along with Kamal Nazir and Haider and other friends, we used to, the principal. Everywhere we used to go and greet him. Such a wonderful person. I will always pray for his good health. Along with his team, Ashraf Saab, though it's a big list, I don't want to mention all of them, Ashraf Saab and Marhum C. Abdul Malik. Though I had a difference of opinion with him, he was very cordial towards me in the end. Then one more person, H.M. Shamshuddin Sir. He was here as the secretary, I think, during the struggle. Somehow he was able to manage. For his acumen in managing that one, I admire his skills. Then, coming to administration, I feel that a teacher should be good in administration, academics, and also association activities. He should involve himself in all the three, not only in teaching or only in administrative skills or like that one. As far as administration is concerned, my mentor, G. Muhammad Faratullah Saab, from whom I learned discipline and how to be upright, honest, come what may, like our Dawood Khan Saab. During Mohiddin Saab and Dawood Khan Saab, I was a student. My first principal was GMF Saab, and I was introduced to him by Fakir Muhammad, NPM Sir, like our Sheikh Sir said. In 1990, I joined. Immediately within a year, I was taken to the examination section. From that day onwards, till my retirement, somehow I was always involved in the examination activities. I must thank Faratullah Saab for that. In 1994, along with Dr. Sheikh Alauddin Saab, I was given the chance to serve as assistant coordinator of IGNOU. There I served for more than 10 years. I learned administrative skills from there. I am very thankful to another most gentleman principal the New College has ever seen, All of you know that whom I am mentioning, the retired professors, Major Jailani sir. The most humble, simple, down-to-earth person. Even now on holidays, he used to call everyone, I think. He used to call every individual to greet them. Whenever he calls, such a kind of wonderful person. New college is not going to see such a principal again, I believe. Then we had other principals. Nagal Ahmad Basha Sahab, the upright principal. Even though he was only 1 year, he made some drastic changes. I had the opportunity to work with almost all the principals, so I may take a little more time. Then the stylish Hadi Ali Sahab. Nobody can match his, the way he stands and speaks. Nobody can match his style. Such a wonderful principal. Avaram Abdul Hakim Sahab, the most pious man. Still, I think he's very active. One more principal. The man of all seasons who has been advisor to everyone, a great administrator. I'm an admirer of him. He has advised me a lot. Today I miss him. Most of us miss him. Professor A. Kader Basha. May Allah give him Jannah. After Kader Basha Sahab, we had a soft-spoken principal, Dr. Altaf sir, who actually gave me a chance to interact with. At that time I contested the elections and lost the election to Kamal Nasir. He's a very good friend of mine. But somehow, as a consolation prize, I was given the post of Vice President of Students' Union. Though I was not very close with the students, I was very comfortable with the students. I thank my friends for that, particularly Sulaiman and others. Dr. Altaf Sahab made me a student union vice president, and somehow I was very cordial with the students. I continued. Then, after Altaf Sahab, we had Abdul Malik sir. Though at that time I was the president of the New College Staff Association, elected by the staff of this college to serve. Though I used to have a lot of confrontation, I will say that. I used to argue with him many a times. But at the end of the meeting, he was so humble and simple. We just mulaqat and say, Sharif Saab. He used to call me always Sharif Saab, though he is senior to me. Such a wonderful principal I had. I have never argued with him for any other reason but for association activities. Such a wonderful person, Abdul Malik sir. Though another principal, though he is not an association member, Major Zahid Hussain, a surprise choice. And he gave me free hand. At that time there was during that other lot of things happened. I don't want to go into the details of those things. Only Allah knows the intention. And I was made as a controller of examination, a controversial appointment at that time. But Alhamdulillah, we were able to streamline the examination section. It was in a state of disarray and the results were being published very late. With the support of all the staff members, we were able to streamline that one. And I thank Zahid Hussain for that one. He gave me a free hand. And after that, I had to work with my very good friend, my roommate when I was abroad, Dr. Abdul Jabbar. I miss him a lot today. He was a very good family friend. Unfortunately, he couldn't join. He lost his wife. Such a wonderful person, very honest, straightforward. Many feel that we had a misunderstanding or something. But if you go and see the documents which we have made, they will speak volumes. How we are able to work. Unless there is a friction, nothing will move. If everything is going smooth, that means that at the end of it, without control it is moving. So Abdul Jabbar, myself and the present principal, so we used to have agreement or disagreement. We were able to do a lot. That's what I personally believe. My successor will vouch for that one. He has already vouched for that one. I thank Sheikh and others for that. After this one, I will come to this about administrative part where I learned a lot of things. And I learned a lot from Dr. Sheikh Alaudi. He was with me in IGNO and also in the first NAC. I worked with him. Such a meticulous worker. Then coming to academics, I am thankful to the mathematics department. Many of you have forgotten the names, starting from KSVS Narasimhan, K. Varadarajulu Gupta, Syed Ahmad Saab, Syed Majid Basha Saab. Then we had S. Ranganathan. Such an excellent teacher. I'll come to that. He's such an excellent teacher. Then we have A.S. Kumaraswamy sir. Then we have S.S. Raghavan, M. Abdul Rashid, and A. Abdul Rashid. They're all my teachers, and along with Mr. Kallur Rahman. Chandrasekhar worked here for some time. All these people, the teaching, nobody can match. I have studied in other institutes like Jamal, and they speak so many things about other colleges. Such teachers, like particularly Ranganathan, Raghavan, and Rashid sir, nobody can match that talent. As exceptional teachers. And one more name I forgot to mention, but is in my heart, SSM Razvi sir, Syed Shah Mohiddin Razvi. He passed at a very young age of 42 years. He joined at the age of 22. After completing 20 years, at the age of 42, he passed away. His son is here. I still admire his skills. And Abdul Rashid sir also. We miss him a lot. Apart from my own department, I would like to mention few names, particularly chemistry department, Sanaullah Ulvi. Even now, he used to ask so many questions in mathematics which he cannot answer. Such a wonderful person. 2 days back also he sent a question on probability. I'm still searching for the answer. I'm going to give it to my own department to find out the answer. Such a wonderful mathematical talent he had. Another surprising man will be from physics. I think I saw him here, Syed Muhammad sir. He's very good in mathematics actually. Nobody knows that one. And those days we used to say, Professor Anis used to call him professor, and in turn he will call him professor. They conferred the degree on themselves. But such a wonderful Syed Muhammad sir, he had such a beautiful and excellent mathematical skills. And my teacher, T.K. Muhammad sir. I thank you very much, sir. In every meeting he used to mention this. Whatever English, some English I'm able to speak, a few words I'm able to speak, form sentences. I owe it to you, sir. Thank you very much for that. T.K. Muhammad used to correct my English whenever I used to take him, or when he was playing carom board or somewhere, or when we go on a tour. We'll be enjoying the tour, but he will be teaching us English. Such a dedicated teacher. Another person I want to remember here is Professor Vasudevan of physics. He, more than his physics, he used to teach me philosophical quotes. So many things he used to tell me, I just recollect that. May God accept the good deeds. Two more excellent teachers for their hard work. Till they were after retirement also they were teaching for more than 30-40 years. One is C. Kalimullah sir, another is Sandana Gopalan sir. No one can match their hard work. So much of interest they had in teaching, flair. So regarding academics, I admire all them. Coming to association activities. When I entered the campus I'll finish in another 5 minutes. When I entered the campus in 1977 or 78, a big struggle was going on in the campus. There we had some student leaders like, I can mention the student leaders, like Ramaswamy, Shivakumar, Hemant, to famous Jinnah, Umesh, Mustafa. They are still, we are able to remember them. Such type of leaders we had in those days. They are fully supported by the teachers. I have seen Professor Rafi sir is here. Along with him, I don't know whether it's a coincidence this one. All the names which I have written here are available here. I thank Allah for that one. N.T. Shiabuddin sir. And a big group of teachers used to always be with students. When there was some kind of disturbance in the campus, police entered the campus for some reason during an election time, I remember. The teachers were standing in front of the students, protecting the students from the police. Such kind of relationship that students and teachers were having. And whenever there is a strike by the teachers, it will be the students will be in the front. I think the days have changed. When you go on this protest, the students are just standing there and watching, as if you are going on a fashion show. This kind of thing has changed here. So that should change, and the students should be more friendly with the teachers than having studious and very meritorious students. They should learn everything. I was fortunate to work with Professor Inkulab during the Diamond Jubilee celebrations, and we were able to release that Golden Leaf. It was his hard work along with Dr. Sheikh Alauddin. They put a lot of effort in that one. As far as association is concerned, I used to admire Professor A.R. Muhammad Koyama sir. Everything comes from my heart, sir. I'm not just telling flatter anybody. A silent worker, but very efficient. I thank you, Koyama sir, for that one. And we have, everybody knows that, Miran sir, who will not scold anybody, such a gentleman. Miran sir, he may be blunt in his comments, but very helpful. During any problem, he'll be the first to come and help. Such a wonderful person. Thank you very much, sir. I also remember economics professor Rahim sir. ஒரு சின்ன பார்ட்டியில் வந்து 5 நிமிஷம் லேட் ஆச்சுனாக்கா யாராவது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஆள் வந்துட்டா he'll be so disturbed. Why are you here? Are you a member? அந்த அளவுக்கு he felt that is an amanat money. Such a wonderful person. And chemistry professor Shahul, he brought a change into the campus when there was being dominated by a group. Ultimately all are friends, but you did something new there. Then I also thank my president, K. Razak sir, and Pepin sir. Though they did not involve themselves much, they gave me a free hand. And along with me, I was introduced to AUT. Those for some time, New College did not have AUT. I still feel that AUT is getting stronger nowadays. Thanks to the younger generation, they're taking care of that one. But during our period, we were the first to open a separate account for AUT. I must thank Munir Ahmed and Ahmed Marikaya, the principled man, for that. I learned so many things from so many people. I'll be failing in my duty if I don't mention my predecessor, Dr. P.M.S. Abdul Ghafoor. For two things I admire him. One is his courage. The way he enters a room. Sunil Gavaskar said, everybody will perceive you based on how you enter the room. Such a courageous man, uncompromising nature. I really admired you, sir, but I never had the chance to work with him. But still have a lot of respect for you. Thank you very much, sir, for that. And I would like to thank my family. I am the youngest of my brothers and sisters that took care of me, and they were so affectionate. I never felt any burden. Particularly, two of my brothers were here, who taught me how to be religious, have religious involvement and also involved in social activities. Thank you, Munish. And another brother, Riyazuddin Sharif, is more close to the retired professor than me. They used to call him Nalla Sharif or good Riyaz like that, particularly Ulvi Sir, Zayad and others. Even now, I think he is very close to many of the teachers here. This is my chance to thank my family, particularly my wife. Coming to her, she never allowed me to leave leave my home without taking my breakfast. So that is more important for a man to have a full stomach. And during 90 to 2004, I was so much involved in other activities. I was taking all sorts of classes. I was involved in all responsibilities. Even on Saturdays and Sundays, I remember Saturday 4 to 8, I used to take classes here, Sunday, for IGNO. I feel that I shouldn't have done that one, but she was so careful and she took care of my children and brought them well. I thank her for that. And regarding my children, they used to advise me a lot. Even now she is sending messages, wear mask, like that. I learned a lot of technology from her. For many people, New College is a family. For me, it is an expanded family. My beautiful daughter-in-law and granddaughter, first of its kind in New College, nobody has done before that one. My son got married to Bashir's daughter. I think it's the only first time I believe in the history of New College. Hope this kind of camaraderie will continue. Though we had difference of opinion during elections, sometimes he used to contest against me. After telling me that you be the secretary, that kind of affection we had. And in between, Kamal Nazir will come. And there will be so much of fun here. I thank you for that one. I truly believe that I discharge my duties and responsibilities in each of the positions and every position staying true to my conscience and to the best of my abilities. I am immensely grateful for the confidence all of you placed in me over the decades and for the constant support, encouragement and understanding offered. I have a lot of friends here, family friends, particularly I can start with Abdul Latif, Fayaz, Sheikh Mohammed. Then I have Razak from Tamil department, Mustafa. I visited almost to their house. Most of the time I had the pleasure of having nice food there and enjoying their hospitality. And there are other friends like Sarmat, though he does not see eye to eye with me now. But Alhamdulillah, we are good friends. And many friends are there like Akmal, Rafiq and others. And I'm thankful to the young friends. No, it will take some time, don't worry. There's a last chance for me to speak. Nobody has controlled me in any meeting. Nobody can control me. I'll be like this. Please leave me. Mustafa sir, it's only that. And particularly I must thank the young friends, starting from Dr. J. Sulaiman, Muhammad Ansar, Lukman. Ansar, kೈ தட்டுங்களா Ansar. உங்க பேரை சொன்னதுக்காக கை தட்டலாம் நீங்க. Lukman. I'll come to them later. Lukman. Then I have Yunus, Shafiq, and there's a big list we used to go together. And Khalil sir, my senior professor, retired professor. Hamza, I have Vasanta Kumar. There are a lot of friends we have. And regarding my two trusted, dependable friends, what I can call, one is Kamal Nasser, another is Haider Ali. And I always remember their help, they did, they are doing, they will be doing, inshallah. And I also thank Professor Kamaluddin of English department. My career over the past 30 years has been challenging and demanding. But I was well rewarded, I don't mean the posts or positions, well rewarded with beautiful memories, long-lasting friendship, and immense satisfaction at the work I did, the changes I brought in, and the impact I made, particularly in the examination section. As I complete my official day here, I am aware that I did not endure this journey alone. The institute is where it is as a result of the hard work, persistence, and honesty of an exhaustive list of luminaries who came long before I did. I mentioned some of their names. I hope I was able to continue the good work and contribute to the betterment of the institute. I pray Allah to bless our college, the excellent management, faculty, administrative staff, students, and allow it to prosper greater heights, because most of the world students know that there is no possibility of any horizontal expansion here. The new college is becoming like a bonsai nowadays. The management is not here, otherwise I could have spoken something else. And I'm not able to search where is new college now. All my teachers will watch for that one. It was called as a new college campus. Now new college is in one of the EC members is here, let him at least listen to it. New college is only this building. I am very sorry to say that one. We are being made like a bonsai tree. There's a big growth, but it's a controlled growth. I feel that it is my duty to say this one. I hope each one of you will leave this place feeling as happy, as fulfilled, and with as heavy a heart as I have as I bid farewell today. Once again, I thank you for the love, affection, and respect shown to me over the past year. May Allah bless all your families, and also thank Professor Munamba Shapat for that one. Thank you very much. May Allah bless us.
Thank you, Professor Zahir. Sir, along with your mathematical skills, I think you are also a skilled historian. You have narrated the history of New College in a capsule. Capsules are good for health anyway.